Hey ladies, welcome to Fiercely Feminine. Today we're talking about 10 things that show you have class. There are some things in life that money cannot buy, and class is one of them. True class does not depend on your financial status. If you're interested in cultivating a more refined and elegant expression of your femininity, here are 10 things that tell if you have class. So sit back, relax, get something to drink, get cozy, and let's get started. The first trait that indicates class is poise. Good posture and gracefulness in movement are key components of a refined feminine presence that exhibits class. The second quality that shows you have class is dressing appropriately. Knowing the importance and the value of dressing for the occasion and wearing clothing that flatters your body type exudes class and sophistication. The third characteristic that shows you have class is having good manners. Practicing basic good manners such as saying please and thank you and being respectful to others shows that you have class. Class is all about being respectful and polite to those around you. The fourth quality that shows you have class goes hand in hand with having good manners, and it's the quality of kindness. Being kind and compassionate towards others is a hallmark of a truly classy and refined feminine lady. As Coco Chanel once said, elegance is when the inside is as beautiful as the outside. Ephesians 4 verse 32 reminds us to be kind to one another. The fifth quality of a classy lady is confidence. A woman who exudes confidence is sure to be respected by others. But remember, this confidence is a quiet confidence, not an over-the-top loud type of confidence. This is summarized by the quote, "Confidence is silent and insecurity is loud." Remember what Giorgio Armani once said, "Elegance is not about being noticed, it's about being remembered." The sixth sign that shows that you have class is having a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude towards life and people shows that you have class. Classy ladies speak in a way that builds others up. They do not complain unnecessarily or use their words to demean those around them. Classy ladies refrain from drama, gossip, and negative talk. Ignoring drama and having a positive attitude towards life radiates class. The seventh sign that shows that you have class is emotional intelligence. Being aware of your own emotions and those of others, as well as being able to handle interpersonal relationships, is a hallmark of class. Emotional intelligence helps you respond appropriately to any given situation and can help you respond with compassion and empathy. Being able to read the room and to know when it's the appropriate time and place to act shows respect for those around you, and classy people show respect to others. Emotional intelligence also indicates your level of self-awareness, and having high levels of self-awareness is a sign of class. The eighth sign that shows that you have class is caring about your personal hygiene and beauty maintenance. Paying attention to personal grooming such as keeping your hair and nails well maintained and taking care of your skin and making sure you always smell good can contribute to a polished and sophisticated appearance. This shows that you pay attention to detail and that you make time to genuinely care for yourself. The ninth quality that shows you have class is intelligence. Intelligence can add to your overall sophistication and classiness, so it's important to continue learning and growing. Having access to the best education is not a determining factor for having class. However, your eagerness to learn more and improve yourself, your knowledge, and your skills will demonstrate that you have class. The 10th and arguably the most important quality that shows that you have class is the constant pursuit of self-improvement and striving to be better than you were yesterday. Focus on improving yourself every day. When you better yourself, it not only benefits you but also those who love you. Giving the best version of yourself to those around you and those that love you is one of the best gifts that you can give. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay fiercely feminine.